Local news for Wednesday, the 18th of October. Scientists are preparing for New Zealand's largest ever deployment of seafloor earthquake recording instruments in a bid to learn more about the earthquake behaviour of the tectonic plates beneath the east coast. It'll kick off later this month when NIWA's research ship Tagaroa will lower 100 specially made seismometers onto the seafloor in a grid pattern running from offshore Wairarapa north to east of Ruatoria. Sir Richard Hadley will be in Masterton next month. The Chamber of Commerce breakfast event is part of Sir Richard's national tour launch of The Skipper's Diary, the story of the 49ers. The New Zealand cricket team tour of England in 1949 is seen through the eyes of the captain and his father, Walter Hadley. A breakfast is set down for the farriers. And in sports, Alistair Payne and Chris Jeffries have been appointed as assistant referees in the Meads Cup semi-final to be played in Levin this weekend, where Horowhenua Kapiti take on Buller. Well done. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.